If you guys want to see all our new classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every day. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a Mopar or no car. We're going to do a complete walkthrough of it. Before we get started, if you like our videos and want to see new inventory every day, please hit the subscribe button right now. This way you can see all our cars and you'll get a notification on your phone. 1972 Dodge Charger. This has got a 440 in it, big block, automatic transmission. I believe it's a 727. It's a driver quality vehicle. It's not a show car, but it's a solid car. We're going to do a complete walkthrough of it. I'll show you the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. We ship all over the US and can get it to any port of your choosing if you want to ship it abroad. Let's go ahead and get started on the condition. We'll start off with the hood. The hood does have some flaws right here, a little bit here, a little bit there. Go on this fender, you got chip here, you got a scrape here. No rust or anything there. American Racing wheels. Tires are practically new. Got a ton of life left. On this door is in good condition. I don't see any visible flaws besides a little scratch right there. Little scratch right there, little chip right there. Rear quarter, got a little flaw there, and one right there, but it's solid. Little, looks like a little bubble there, but nothing, it's pretty solid. Go on the rear of the vehicle, the bumper, it's got some pitting on it. The trunk lid. I don't see anything major. It's a little oxidized. We got this little spot here. The worst part of the car is probably going to be right here, but it's really solid. It's not flaking or anything. I'm pushing hard on it. Little imperfection there in the quarter. And as far as rust, all this is pretty solid here. Again, wheels are in good shape. They need to be cleaned up. Tires are in good condition. Little bubble there, it looks like. This door's got a couple little nicks in it. It's a solid looker from, I don't know, let's say I'm about this distance, I don't know, 4 feet away, 3 feet away. And you get up on it, you can see the flaws. Need a new dash pad, headliner. Seats are in good condition. Not a fan of the American Racing wheel. I'd probably change that if I was keeping it. Take a look underneath. And underneath it is solid. I don't see any rust at all on this side. Frame rails look good, floors look great. We'll go take a look at the other side. Now, I bought this car with 2 other cars. It was in a guy's collection. He had them sitting in the garage. He said they were all sitting in the garage since he's had them. They weren't stored outside or anything, so they were out of the elements. And you can really tell that if you look at the undercarriage on this. I mean, the rails are all good. This thing is very, very clean underneath. Rockers are good. Solid car to get restored. If you want to drive it this way, you can. If you want to restore it. Seat's in good condition. A little tear there. Go ahead and look inside the trunk. I can never do this the first time. Come on. Nope, wrong key. Oh for 2. Thought it was the round key. Nope, must be the round key. Just take our time with it. There we go. Got a ton of extra parts. Console looks super solid. You get all these parts that come with it. There it is. Yeah, rails are in good shape. Straight up American muscle. It's fired up. Looks like gas gauge is not reading. We also have the oil light on. Guys, up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. This one's ready for a new owner. This thing drives good. It's a nice strong engine. It runs very well. 440, ready for a new home. Give us a call today. God bless the USA. Let's run it.